Snap-on Training Solutions helps you get the most out of your TRITON-D8 diagnostic tool. I'm Jim Moritz, Global Field Trainer and Sales Support Representative. This training module covers the Troubleshooter function. The Snap-on Fast Track Troubleshooter contains experience-based tips designed to show the likely diagnosis for a specific vehicle and to save repair time. Troubleshooter tips are based on real-world experience of OEM and specialty technicians. To get started, select Troubleshooter from the main scanner menu. Select the vehicle system you want to diagnose. There are several tools within Troubleshooter to choose from. Let's explore code tips. These take you down a step-by-step path to determine the most likely components or circuits at the root of the problem. Let's drill down to a specific diagnostic trouble code. In this case, we'll diagnose a code P0121. Select P0XXX for powertrain codes, and select P01XX fuel and air metering. And there's our code, P0121. Only tips related to the specific vehicle being tested are shown to quickly lead you to the root cause of the problem. Select the code to see the reason the code is set and a brief test to isolate, test, and confirm the suspected cause of the fault. The repair tip highlights known issues for this specific vehicle and code to make it easier to diagnose. Code tips are designed to show the most common faults first, saving you time and frustration. You can use the scroll function to scroll through more information. The tool will also show data related to the selected code. Use the scroll function on the lower section of the screen to see all of the data. You can press the next icon for more information. This article has a functional test linked inside. Press the tool icon, then press Continue. For this test, use the plus and minus icons to change the throttle position. The commanded position will show on the screen. Some problems don't set a fault code. These can be particularly difficult to diagnose. The symptom tips in Troubleshooter can solve these problems with step-by-step guidance to diagnose problems with no codes. Select Symptom Tips. Symptom tips also contain information on thousands of known service issues. Here we see choices for starting problems and for drivability problems. Let's select Driving Problems. What do we do when we have a vehicle that cuts out while driving? Let's select this item on the menu and find out. You can read through the article to see common problems. Scroll down to see more. You can also scroll through the available PID data below. Press the next icon for more information. This article has a reset procedure linked to it. Press the tool icon. On the next screen, we will be able to reset the O2 heater circuit. Press the function icon to start the procedure. Select Reset to reset the heater circuit. Once the procedure is complete, click to exit. The Tests and Procedures section covers many ways to save diagnosis and repair time. The After Repair section shows methods to verify that your completed repair has completely solved the customer's problem. This includes relearn procedures and functional tests needed to verify and complete the repair. For this example, let's choose the CKP sensor relearn. Read through the info and select Next for the test. Press the tool icon to run the test. Follow the on-screen instructions until the test is complete. Test the Part covers thousands of simple tests to be certain a component has failed before you spend time replacing it. For this example, let's choose the accelerator pedal position sensor test. Click Next for more information and select the tool icon to start the test. Drive cycle procedures show the fastest way to set readiness monitors needed to complete emissions work. Select the article. Inspection and Adjustment has tips for inspecting and adjusting components. Select the article. This article explains the differences on vehicles with a flex fuel system. Time Savers has tips to help under the hood. Select the category. Select the article. The article shows cylinder layout and firing order for the vehicle. Select General Information and you will find definitions for thousands of OEM terms and abbreviations always at your fingertips. Here's an article on the abbreviations used in the tool. Snap-on is dedicated to helping you get the most out of your diagnostic tool and keep your customers happy. Be sure to watch the rest of the modules in this Training Solutions series.